Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jenkins and I go over there on the internet and find ways to make money on the internet, and when I come back I give reviews on it. So over here on my pay balance, now as you can see here over my pay balance, I have over $5 there on my pay balance, so 5.58 USD. So as you can see here, I want to show you how to use your pay account. That's if you want to withdraw this into your maybe your Bybit or Binance or Bitget in order to transact and sell it to your fiat currency. So here you just click on this here. So as you can see, it's written there that transfer. Okay, that one is for the transfer. Sorry, this one is for the exchange. So from here you can exchange from any balance to another currency. So here I'm gonna click this. So as you can see, this is my dollar balance. So as you can see, it's 5.58 here. So I'll click it. So if I want to swap this into my USDT, then I'll click here, and as you see, I'll just type in the amount. That's 5.58. Okay, 5.58. Sorry, I typed 7. Okay, so 5.58. So I'll be getting 5.47. I think there's maybe a charge or something when they are swapping it, the US dollars into the USDT. So after I've swapped this, I will exchange it. So when I exchange it and it comes to that balance and I want to send it out, then I will tap here, yes, on the transfer. When I tap on the transfer, I'll go there and I'll choose Theta, which is USDT, and they are asking for a template. I don't think that's useful. Don't need a template for that. So as you can see here, in TRC20, they are talking of a minimum of $10 per transaction, but there's a little trick to this that I can show you. So there are different ways of sending money in crypto wallets. So here we are going to do it a cheaper way, which I know most of you will be interested in. So you just have to click on your network. So as you can see, there's an ERC20, there's a BEP20, BEP20, and there's a Polygon there also. As you can see, Polygon, all of them, okay, the Polygon too has a minimum of 1 USDT per transaction. But now if I should put maybe 5 USDT here, as you can see, the charges here will be very high. So that's up to like 6 USDT that I'll have to send, and that means the charge will be 1 USDT, which is very high. So let's choose this. This is the one I usually use, the Arbitrum. The Arbitrum does not have much charge. They don't charge much when you want to withdraw. So as you can see, if I'm withdrawing 5, they are going to just cut 1 cent, which is very great. They are gonna cut just 1 cent out of all the money I'm gonna withdraw. So how do you get this Arbitrum wallet? How do you get the address to make your withdrawal? So I'm gonna minimize and get into my crypto wallet. Okay, so I'll just go into my Bybit account. So I'm just gonna click on deposit right now. So I'll just tap on deposit crypto, and then I'm gonna search for USDT. So as you can see here, this is the USDT, the networks that are available. That's the chain types on the USDT network. So we'll just click on the Arbitrum one. The Arbitrum one. So as you can see, be very careful, as they are warning you there that you shouldn't do anything or anyone that is not, you should not send anything that is not on the Arbitrum, and it's not on the Arbitrum network to this place. Okay, so you just copy the address and you go there and you paste it, and you'll be able to send your money. So with just a little charge, with just a little charge. So right now I don't want to withdraw, but this is how you do it, and you charge just a little bit for sending your money from your Payeer wallet into your crypto wallet. So thank you for watching this video to the end, and please smash the like button and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you.